Whenever you sign up to a website, you have to give your email address and sometimes even your phone number. This information could be shared to third parties and used to track or spam you. I think there's no one that has never received a spam or a commercial phone call. A solution to this problem is a temporary email or phone number for each non-essential service you want to use. Let's start talking about temporary emails and then we'll go ahead to disposable phone numbers and second phone number apps. Let's suppose you want to access a new forum, a gaming community, a magazine, or a news site. And to do that, you have to sign up and provide an email address. To avoid tracking and correlations with your web history and other websites you have visited, where you've used the same email address, you should use a new one. Of course, you can create some temporary free email accounts, but you are limited because you cannot create hundreds of email accounts, and many email providers, including Gmail, require a phone number and do not permit too many accounts using the same phone number. The solution to this problem is really simple. There are lots of services that offer temporary or disposable email addresses. Temp Mail and Guerrilla Mail are only two of such services that work at the moment. Disposable email addressing or dark mail refers to an approach where a unique email address is used for every contact, entity, or for a limited period of time. The advantage is that if anyone compromises your email address or utilizes it to send you spam, the address owner can easily dispose of it without affecting any of their other contacts. This is a powerful anti-spam weapon. Take a look at guerrillamail.com. This is a temporary email address and I can use it as a throwaway email. Note that the access to the inbox is possible without authentication. In fact, anyone can read it. If I want, I can use other domains or even other name before the @ sign. This is my temporary email address and I can use it as a throwaway email. If somebody else has already created it, the other person can access the inbox as well. For example, I'm setting a common name, let's say Johnny. Nice. These are the emails that johnny@sharklassers.com has received. These are one-time throwaway emails. Let's suppose I want to create a new account on a website to access some content, and I'll choose bbc.co.uk. I've chosen it randomly, and I want to sign in. I don't have a BBC account, so I'm creating a new one. I'm over 16. I'll choose a random date of birth. And a temporary email address. Let's use a temporary address from tempmail.org. For example, this one. I'm copying it to the clipboard. And I've used a random password. And I click on register. Now they want me to check my email address to verify the account. And the email is already in my inbox. This is the message that I've received from bbc.co.uk. And I can click on verify your email address to get verified. Great! I'll never use that email again. I just wanted an email address to sign up. I've shown you how to avoid spam or even tracking by using a temporary email address. In the next video, I'll show you what to do to better protect your phone number and your privacy.